HRM Concept Review, Compensation Concepts 5, Job Evaluation and Compensation. Job evaluation systematically assesses the comparative value of different positions within an organization to establish a structured job hierarchy. This assessment considers various factors such as the nature of the job, necessary skills, its importance to the organization, the influence of organizational culture, and external market conditions. The ability to integrate internal organizational dynamics with external market influences represents both an advantage and a complexity inherent in job evaluation. Ranking methods of job evaluation. Ranking organizes jobs from highest to lowest importance based on their perceived value to an organization's achievements. This method is favored for its simplicity, speed, and ease of communication, alongside being initially low cost. Yet its simplicity is misleading as it does not provide insights into the specific merits of each job, leading to potential disputes and expensive corrective measures. Ranking is commonly conducted through alternation ranking or paired comparisons, each aiming to establish a consensus on job value in a more structured manner than simple ranking. However, these approaches depend on subjective assessments and a thorough understanding of every job, complicating the evaluation process. Over time, as organizational structures shift, the method's effectiveness diminishes, challenging its initial cost effectiveness and simplicity with the need for intricate, costly adjustments. Classification methods of job evaluation. Under the classification approach to job evaluation, jobs are grouped into categories reflecting a range of positions. Each category or class is defined by specific descriptions that outline the characteristics of jobs it encompasses. Jobs are then matched to these classes based on their descriptions, ensuring they align with the most suitable category. The process involves creating class descriptions broad enough to encapsulate the necessary job details, yet specific enough to facilitate easy assignment. The challenge lies in determining the appropriate number of classes and crafting descriptions that clearly demarcate one class from another, often starting by identifying distinct shifts in job responsibilities. The task of describing classes becomes complex when they encompass a wide array of job families under a single scheme. Benchmark job titles are used to provide clarity. In practice, classification not only involves comparing jobs to class and benchmark descriptions, but also assessing the similarity of jobs within each class to ensure consistency. This comprehensive comparison aims to establish a job hierarchy that aligns with organizational goals and work processes, ensuring equity and motivating desired outcomes with pay equity within classes and differentiated compensation across distinct classes. Point methods of job evaluation. In point method job evaluations, three core elements are utilized: compensable factors that are essential for the role, a numerical scale that measures the extent of these factors within a job, and weighted values that prioritize the factors' significance to the organization. This approach calculates a job's value by summing the points it receives across these factors. Dominant in job evaluation practices across the US and Europe, point methods distinctly outline the basis of job assessment through clear, compensable factors, aligning with the organization's strategic vision and how each job advances these strategic goals. The process involves scaling and weighting the factors to mirror their relevance and contribution with the total point score of a job determining its comparative rank within the organizational framework. Considerations for process. Insights from research suggest that prioritizing fairness in the design and choice of compensation strategies, be it job evaluation, skill competency mapping, or market pricing, over focusing exclusively on the outcome, the pay structure within the company, is key to achieving buy-in, trust, and endorsement from both employees and management. There is a pressing need for further research to evaluate if the gains from greater participation balance out the possible downsides, such as the extended time needed for consensus building and the potential for upsetting existing viewpoints. It's also vital to acknowledge that employee engagement cannot make up for low salary levels. Inevitably, some positions may be evaluated inaccurately, or employees and managers might believe so, underscoring the necessity for a review process to assure procedural justice. These concerns might be initially addressed through informal dialogues between managers and employee relations personnel. After job evaluations are finalized, they usually must be ratified by higher management levels, ensuring that any changes are congruent with the organizational objectives and operational practices.